Hello guys, good morning. It's Saturday. Aga pa kami nagbugtaw guys kay makadto kami sa beach because it's San Juan Day with my family and my neighbors. Yes, with Kitty's baby, man, Isay and Jaja. And then, nagkadto na kami. Biyahe na kami guys, papuntang beach Talon Beach. Yan. Ang ganda ng paligid guys. Oh, parang man-made forest guys. Oh. And then nakarating na kami. Kantahan time. Kanta-kanta. Videoke time. Habang wala pa kaming ulam, nagluluto pa. Videoke time. Ayan. Kantahan. And then guys, ayan na oh, may itik kaming baon. Ayan, kinakatay na nila yung itik, tsaka nagluto kami ng ulam guys. Kasi wala kaming ulam na dalang luto. Ayun din, habang nagluluto, nagliligo muna ang mga bata sa maliit na swimming pool. Yan, may dala kaming swimming pool for babies. The cutest baby. Oh, mga cute yung baby, 3 little girl. Yan, kasi mainit sa dagat, kaya dito kami sa swimming pool. May, di ba, ang saya. Happy kids. Okay, and then, yan. Habang naliligo ang mga kids, nagkantahan na naman kami. With my friends and neighbors. Enjoy lang. Kasi may birthday dito. Happy birthday pala kay Uncle Renanti. Yan. It's party. With jockey time. Okay guys. Yan ang ganap dito sa Talon Beach. San Juan Day. It's San Juan Day. And then, tulog na yung mga bata kasi napagod sa swimming. Ayan, tulog si Jaja. And then, si Isay tulog man. And then, ang baby cute namin, bugtaw. And then, nagligo na kami. And then, tapos na. Hapon na, mapuli na kami guys. Okay, thank you. Bye, Beach Talon. And then, travel for go home. See you tomorrow guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.